In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the language in Gmail. This is really useful if you're more comfortable using another language, if you're learning a new one, or if your Gmail account was set up in a language you don't fully understand. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll see how easy it is to switch the interface to the language you prefer. First, open Gmail. You can do this in any web browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. In the address bar, type the Gmail website and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. It's important to note that this process is best done on a computer because the full settings menu is easier to access on a desktop or laptop than on a mobile device. Once your inbox has loaded and you can see your emails, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that looks like a small gear. This is the settings icon. Click on that gear icon to open a quick settings panel. At first, you'll see some basic options, but for what we want to do, we need the full settings. So in that quick settings panel, find and click the option that says something like See All Settings. This will open a new page with multiple tabs along the top, and this is where all of Gmail's main configuration options live. You should now be looking at the General tab. In most cases, this is the tab that opens by default. If for any reason you're on a different tab, such as Labels or Inbox, just click on the word General at the top to switch back. The General tab contains a long list of options that affect how Gmail looks and behaves, including the language setting we're after. At the very top of the General settings, you'll see a section labeled Language or Default Language, depending on your current setup. Right next to it, there will be a drop-down menu showing the language Gmail is currently using. Click on that drop-down menu and you'll see a long list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find the language you want Gmail to use. You can also usually start typing the name of the language on your keyboard to jump to it faster. When you've found your preferred language, click it to select it. This choice affects the Gmail interface, meaning things like button labels, menu titles, and various prompts will all appear in the language you just picked. It will not automatically translate the content of your existing emails, but it will change the way Gmail itself is displayed. After selecting your new language, don't scroll away just yet. You need to save this change or it won't take effect. Move down to the very bottom of the General Settings page. There, you'll see a button that says Save Changes. Click that button to apply your new language setting. Gmail will refresh, and you should now see the interface in the language you selected. Take a moment to click around, open an email, and check the menus to make sure everything looks right. If you ever want to switch to a different language again, just repeat these same steps. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the language in Gmail, making your inbox easier and more comfortable to use.